morning everyone. Today we will be presenting our assignment on digital transformation in clinical trials. This presentation is prepared by Sagar Singhal, Sakshi Keshri and I, Samiksha Jain. Our focus will be on understanding how clinical trials are evolving from traditional modes to digital and decentralized approaches, and what impact this transformation has on patients, data quality, cost and time to market. Traditionally, clinical trials have followed a site-centric model, where patients are required to visit hospitals or research centers for almost every trial-related activity. While this approach is well established, it has several limitations. Patient recruitment is often slow and expensive, and many participants drop out due to travel burden and inconvenience. Additionally, traditional trials have demographic reach, high operational and infrastructure costs, and longer timelines, which ultimately delay drug approvals. Hello. To overcome these challenges, the industry is now shifting towards digital and decentralized clinical trials. This digital transformation enables a more patient-centric and flexible approach. It improves patient engagement and convenience, expands access to diverse populations, and streamlines data collection and management. As a result, logistical complexity and costs are reduced, and research timelines are accelerated, leading to faster insights and outcomes. Technologies enabling decentralized clinical trials. The success of decentralized clinical trials is driven by the integration of advanced digital technologies. Telemedicine platforms enable virtual consultations and remote clinical assignments. Wearable devices and sensors continuously capture real-time health data. Mobile applications allow patients to directly report outcomes, improving convenience and accuracy. Electronic data capture systems reduce manual errors and enhance data integrity. Cloud-based platforms provide secure real-time access to data for all stakeholders. Additionally, AI and automation tools support intelligence monitoring, alerts, and advanced analytics, ensuring efficient and patient-centric trial execution. Cost-benefit analysis of DCTs. Decentralized clinical trials involve certain upfront costs, such as investments in digital platforms, medical devices, and training for investigators, staff, and patients. There are also ongoing expenses related to data security, privacy, and regulatory compliance. However, these costs are balanced by significant benefits. DCTs reduce infrastructure and monitoring expenses, lower patient travel and reimbursements cost, improve operational efficiency, and minimize delays. Over time, scalable trial models further reduce the cost per patient.
So, the decentralized clinical trials significantly improve patient recruitment and retention. They expand access by reaching patients across different geographies. They increase inclusivity by encouraging participation from underrepresented populations. Patient burden is reduced through home-based participation, leading to better engagement and satisfaction. As a result, dropout rate decline and enrollment timelines are shortened, making trials faster and more patient-friendly. So, digital trials greatly enhance data quality through real-time and continuous data capture. Automation reduces manual errors and improves data accuracy, transparency, and integrity. Live monitoring allows faster identification and resolution of issues. At the same time, trial initiation and patient onboarding become quicker. Reduced delays and faster data analysis lead to earlier regulatory submissions and faster drug approvals, helping therapies reach patients sooner. Despite their advantages, decentralized clinical trials face several challenges. Regulatory guidelines vary across regions and are still evolving, complicating global trials. Ensuring data security, patient privacy, and complaint-informed consent is critical. There is also a digital device where limited access to technology or low digital literacy may affect participation. Finally, integrating new digital platforms with existing systems remains a key implementation challenge. So to conclude, decentralized clinical trials represent a major shift in how clinical research is conducted. They enhance patient centricity, improve inclusivity, reduce cost, and accelerate time to market However, success depends on regulatory alignment and strong digital infrastructure. Looking ahead, continuous innovation, stronger collaboration among stakeholders, and global regulatory harmonization will drive the future of DCTs. By empowering patients and embracing digital transformation, the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry can deliver life-changing treatments more efficiently and equitably. This is the future outlook of innovation and collaboration of DCTs. That's all from our side. Thank you.